So we've got meetings all day today, actually. We're on our way to one right now. Nico just landed, so some of you haven't met any of the bear accounts. This is Nico. Nico, what just happened? Hoiby. Fuck, I should probably have this before we get into the room with them.
You want me to hold it?
Hoiby. Let's go to the end of the... This is...
358 this way.
So go to the end until there's a T in the... and then turn right, and the office on the left. Singapore seems to be very supportive of the digital asset space.
You haven't seen any.
As a matter of fact, it's all digital asset trading windows. This is where we're opening our offices. And in fact, I almost want to take that office, but it's currently being renovated. It actually looks like the kind of office you'd want where it looks like it's under renovation most of the time. Do you know in Guatemala, if you don't finish your house, you don't have to pay taxes on it. So even the nicest houses still will have rebar sticking out somewhere, so they don't have to pay taxes on their buildings.
A lie.
Yeah.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, you have like a $500,000 camera roll around this way with a boom mic, because I'm just trying to casually walk down the street and pretend like nothing is happening. When you're doing business or kind of on the road, you always want to make sure you eat well. So eat yourself an apple. It's a good way to go. Full apple. Finished apple. Delicious. Oh, wait. Press here to exit. It's like Star Wars. The elevators here have a very unique numbering system. Here you can see we have floors 1, 3, 5, and 32. I don't know what happened to the rest.
His name is Tio. So Tio, come up here to Tio. Give Tio a big round of applause. He's just going to share a few minutes.
I also want to thank all of you for being here, and give yourselves a round of applause, because you're what makes this community powerful. You will drive a lot of this forward.